Japan, 2018. Japan captured us 2017, July 7th. Last time you saw us, we were in that little shed. Flashback!
Man.
I think the closest.
Ow. Whoa.
Yeah. This time we're on the move from Japan. That's Japan. We gotta go, cameraman. Let's go. Oh! Ow, Okay. We've escaped. I told they didn't know he had a camera on us. I told the cameraman to put up his butt. And he did it without even arguing. Okay, we just escaped Japan. You saw us running. We've been at this for how long did you say, cameraman? Like
12 years.
It's clearly not 12 years. We just got captured last year. I'd say about 6 months. Don't zoom in on me, please. Are you zoomed in still?
No.
I don't believe you. I believe that zoomed in. Oh shoot, okay, you're right. Okay. We've been starving. As you can see, I'm getting weak. Show me your body, cameraman.
No.
Why?
No.
We don't have any food. I know cameraman's hungry. You hungry? I'm hungry too. So we gotta go find some food.
Bro, what?
Huh?
What is that?
Some food, bro.
Dude, have you been holding that like?
I told you we gotta find some food, and I found some food in my pocket. Let's go.
Bro, you're not gonna share your food with me?
Bro, if you wanted some, should have asked, bro. I ain't got no more.
Right there.
I ain't got no more. Alright, can you hold that? Alright, let's go. We gotta get home. Alright, cameraman.
Yeah.
Which way you wanna go? Right or left?
Choose below, down in the comment section. We're going left.
No, we can't go. No, we can't go left. You know what's left.
Civilization. Dude.
No, no, that's Japan. That's Japan's hometown. As you can see, this is classic Japan behavior. Carving a tree like this. As you can see, this is a great sign of respect to the elders of people. You know, someone knocked this down, but they bring great disrespect to the elders. I said they bring great disrespect to the elders. So, cameraman, can you help me out here? I can't knock it down. I said it'd be a great disrespect to the elders. Okay, that's not for elders. Let's keep going. No. 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 Show him that part, dude. Back in the woods. We can't let Japan find us. Quit zooming in on me. Go back in the woods.
I'm itchy.
Okay. We have to finish this video.
It's not a video.
It's not 10 minutes yet. I need to add a revenue. Quit! Japan car. We have to keep going. Don't you want to escape?
I'm having deja vu, bro.
Shut up. They don't know that. Why are you leaving? Leave me! We can't go that way! No! Stop! We can't go that way! I found it, boys. I found the next home. As you can see, it looks completely abandoned. We have to go. Later. Okay. Gotta be very careful, okay? Japan people might live here. We can't let them know we just escaped. Alright, cameraman, you first. Don't wanna die if there's Japan people in there. Here, I'll go. I got this. Japanese people run. Why didn't you run?
Because this is actually my mom and dad's house.
What?
This is my mom and dad's house.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
I promise.
No. We're in Japan.
I am Japan.
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm Japanese.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
The ninja.
I am the ninja.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Get away.
No.
I thought you were my friend. No. Get away from me.
Why are you running?
No.
Why are you running?
No, get away.
Why are you
You've
running?
been lying to me this whole time. I thought you were my friend.
No.
Are you really the ninja?
Yeah.
Are you really the ninja?